Let us all appreciate that women are a gift from our Creator. They are more precious than any jewel anyone can have, more durable than gold, more glittering than diamonds. Women light up the world with their beauty, their love, the caring for each detail, overlooked by others. We feed on the energy of women all over the world. They are our compass when we get lost. They tenderly care for each of us as they tenderly care for each other. Women are the ultimate partners in any venture undertaken. They are our source of inspiration, that spark, in us caused by women, to bring out the absolute best in us. Women are what make the world go around. Name anything that the world has, that does not have the fingerprints of women all over it. We need the loving arms of women when we are depressed, happy, beaten down, unappreciated, unloved, ignored, and taken for granted. Our strong women are there to help us out. OnPassive's O Women platform is just what the world needs. The women's platform gives women from all over the world. That stage lets everyone know how much we love them. Women were born with the gift of intuitiveness, the ability to adapt to any situation without having to agonize over what should be done at that time. Women are extremely sensitive to the feelings of others. That does not make them weak, that makes them strong. Women are our shining stars. Women are kind and loving, they are beautiful to be around. Whenever a woman is in our presence, time just seems to fly by. That is one of the things that makes women so special. We forget how sensitive we all can be, but the women in our lives tend to create that balance that all of us so sorely need. Women are the backbone of any civilization. They are innovatively brilliant. Any and every industry is known to man and created by men have had the calming effects, the positive effects of the power of women. We love you, we respect you, we laud you, we cherish you. OnPassive's creator, Mr. Ash Mafare, knows how important women are. That is why OnPassive has been able to attract the most gifted women on the planet. We are proud of and love and respect all the women on our leadership council. They serve as excellent examples of how women are intricate parts, forming the core of OnPassive. All of us highly respect and love all the outstanding and beautiful women in OnPassive. OnPassive's O Women platform elevates and recognizes women as vital parts of the success of OnPassive. The women's stage is like a giant pedestal that all women are on. Strong women have been able to go places where others could not. They have been able to touch the hearts and move opinions in positive directions that no one else would be able to do. So, women in OnPassive, keep lifting and elevating every woman that you meet and come in touch with, so that they can feel the way you feel and have the freedom of expression that you have. That makes life worth living. Women of the world, founders of OnPassive, keep making your voices heard. Keep giving your best. Look at all women as the best friends that you have ever had, and the world will benefit from all your loving and self-sacrificing spirit. You are the world's shining stars. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.